the mighty mullein, verbascum thapsus, torches, candlewick plant, Aaron's rod, the fuzzy plant. Actually, these two are kind of tiny. So let's go up here to where they're a little bit taller. This is a widely distributed plant, and it's usually more recognized as being a medicinal plant than edible. You can eat these leaves, integrate them into soup, stews, those kind of meals where it's buried with other goodies. The flowers you can infuse in a good quality olive oil, and it creates a very healthy oil for earaches. These flowers will occur anywhere from June to September. And we got some over here as well. And before I go over here, I saw some what I call third year dead. And believe it or not, this, and when the leaves as well are dried, they make incredible tinder. They take a spark very quickly. So there's your third year. And here are a lot of first year plants. Many first year plants are going to turn into all these beautiful candle rods. So we'll go over here. This plant has been smoked by some people when they've had bronchial issues or really bad coughs. It's not for me. I don't want to smoke anything. But apparently it is beneficial for those who are willing to give it a try. And making tea from these leaves when you have a dry bronchial cough can help soothe the throat, soothe the lungs. You can make a poultice with the leaves, and it can help draw out splinters. And this is a plant that even if you put a little bit into your soups or stews or stir fries, you're going to gain a lot of flavonoids, antioxidants, carotenoids, beta-carotene. It is absolutely chock full of nutrients. It's an important source also of minerals and vitamins and health promoting fatty acids. It's really high. These leaves are high in magnesium, potassium, zinc, iron, B2, and B5. You could use these in a pinch if you had to, if you ran out of diapers, if you have a baby. They're very absorbent. And having said that, we all know that many people have referred to this plant as the cowboy toilet paper. But you do have to keep in mind that there are tiny hairs on these leaves. And if you have sensitive skin, all of a sudden, this really thick, soft leaf is not going to feel too soft. It's going to be quite an annoyance. So be careful. So you can make a tea with the leaves. You could even go one step further and make an iced tea. Grab yourself some tapioca and make a bubble tea from it. Mullein. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the bell so you get notification when I upload new videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for your support. Thank you.